Okay, welcome back to 640 AM The Mix, and in this video we're going to be doing a review and unboxing of the SM-812 portable economical shortwave AM/FM radio receiver, and that's coming up next. Okay, welcome back to 640 AM The Mix, and in today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of a very economical, tiny, portable, shortwave AM/FM radio. It's coming from Samir, which makes a lot of economic AM/FM type radios, but this one has shortwave included, which attracted me. It's the Samir SM-812. Now, I came across this particular radio on another YouTuber's website, and I'm going to show that momentarily. I'm a big fan of Todderbert. You could take a look at his videos, and that was the ad that he had placed. It's an affiliate link on his YouTube page, and I clicked the link on Amazon, picked the radio up for $14. It was a great price. What initially attracted me was the digital display on such an economic radio. But once it came in, I figured let me put it through its paces, see what's good and see what's not, because at $14 you know there's going to be some issues. But recently I just checked, and the radio on Amazon is back up to $27. So thanks to Todderbert for his affiliate link, I picked this radio up for $14, and like I said, it's back up to $27. So let's take a look at the radio. Okay, welcome back to 640 AM The Mix, and we're here today to do an unboxing and review of an inexpensive AM/FM shortwave radio that I found on Todderbert YouTube page. He had an affiliate link to Amazon, and I picked one up. I think it was like $14, $15, very inexpensive. What attracted me at first was the digital LCD display for digital exact tuning, and at that price I find that to be amazing, so I picked one up. It's the Samir SM-812, but I can assume it's branded and sold under different makes and models. But this one is the SM-812. On AM it has the standard 520 to 1710 kilohertz. On FM it has also the standard 87 to 108 megahertz. Shortwave has 3.650 megahertz all the way up to 22.5 megahertz. So it's got a pretty decent sized shortwave band coverage, again, which that also attracted me for that price. Like I said, LCD digital display. The box says time setting, which is Chinese, I guess, for alarm clock. 3.5 millimeter earphone jack. A DC 4.5 volt power cable connector. You can't charge. I've tried charging your rechargeables. You cannot. So it's just to plug it in and operate battery free. If you want to operate batteries, it takes standard 2 AA's. Came in a decent box, branded, particularly for the radio, the SM-812. It's a 10 band, 10 channel, 12 band radio. All right, let's crack it open and see what it looks like. Hassle-free service. That's what we like. You can email or you can WhatsApp the company, and I assume in China. All right, let's take a look at the radio. Like I said, I already popped the batteries in. It's got a decent size telescopic antenna. All right, let's get it there. You got your 3.5 millimeter jack. Trying to get it into focus, your volume, and that's your DC input, plastic speaker grill. It's like a 1.5-inch speaker. There's your bands. You got the light button, timing on and off, frequency and time when you turn it on, and your power button. Here's your dial. It's not analog. It has a weird feel to it, but at $14.99, I'll take it. There's your tone. You got high and low setting. Your instruction manual is pretty basic. I'll leave it there so you can freeze it. If you lose it, there it is. Pretty decent manual. Lightning operation. It's obviously not the best translation, but it's decent. Technical talk. You get your USB charging. And that's it. Let's fire up the radio and see how it sounds. Okay, we're ready to go. Let's do a band scan, a shortwave band scan. That's the correct time. It's 1:47 here in New York. So let's do a band scan on shortwave and see what we can find. Fire it up. Tells your radio. And we're on band 6 there on the bottom, which is 12 megahertz. Let us...
It's a bad group for lying about stuff, but and trying to put chemicals in to make it more addicting. But everybody knows that.
Just using a telescopic antenna. That's Radio Marti. Should be on 1195. It looks like there's a little bit of drifting there. Not so highly sensitive. There you go. So it's a little bit of drifting there. But a good copy. Talking about politics, I heard Brazilian and President Guaido, President Guaido of Brazil. Okay, that's 11 megahertz. It is the afternoon, so it's only copying the large stations coming out of Radio Marti out of Florida. Let's see what else we can find. All right, we're on 11.28 megahertz, and we're getting an image from 880 on the broadcast band. But again, at $14. you can look away on some of these things. But it does get harmonics and images from the broadcast band. Okay, back on 12 megahertz. Let's see what we can find. Alright, don't want to leave it on the music too long. Get embroiled into copyright issues. And the legal team at 640 is not that legally knowledgeable. Okay, we're on 9 megahertz.
For this cause the world knows us not, because it knew him not. Beloved, now are we the children of Elohim, and it is not...
Alright, let's do some band switching.
So accurate.
That's the AM broadcast band.
Hey, what's the best place to get food around here? And we would just go. Yeah. Like we would roll in. I mean, we rolled into shacks that they were serving, you know, chicken out of. Fun. You know, yeah.
There's a little bit of drifting, definitely. That should be on 720.
We did all kinds of wild stuff. Stop that. Long Island. Hi, Mike.
Lost around $1.25 billion in the first 9 months of last year. Other banks have released consumer debt outlooks and economic outlooks for this year, and investors took it hard early on.
Should be 880.
Now the Dow is down just 0.1%, the S&P down less than 0.2%, and the three major averages are heading for gains.
Endorsed. Online privacy
That's FM.
protection. Wins News Time 1:56, and that makes it time for Bloomberg Money Watch. Union, New Jersey.
Okay, 92.3 FM in New York, Bloomberg Radio. It's coming in crystal clear on FM, perfectly tuned. So it's just AM and especially shortwave.
Assets. Tesla has been slashing prices to boost sales.
Okay, there you have it, the unboxing and review of the Samir SM-812 portable AM/FM shortwave radio. At $14, it's an amazing buy. So once again, thanks to Todderbird for putting up that affiliate link so I was able to pick it up. Like I said, it's back up to $27. But the issues are that it drifts, and you get images and harmonics on different bands, mainly from the AM broadcast band spread across the shortwave spectrum. So those are the cons. The pros are for $14 you get an LCD display and digital tuning. So overall, I think it's a great radio. Throw it in your bag. You step on it, it falls out of your bag, gets run over by a car, New York traffic, you're fine, you're only out $14, and you have it in your bag, so whenever you have a few minutes to kill, you can listen to some shortwave radio, and that's what it's all about. At $14, throw it in your bag, use it when you want. Works well with the headphones. I didn't test that out, but I did later on, and it works well with headphones supplied into that 3.5 millimeter jack. So comment below, tell me what you think of any shortwave. If you come across another great shortwave radio, please comment below, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time right here on 640 AM The Mix. Thanks for watching, everyone.